today's video, I'm going to teach you how to landscape in WPS Office 2026. Step by step. If you've ever needed extra horizontal space for a wide table, a panoramic image, or a side-by-side comparison, switching your document to landscape orientation is the quickest way to make everything fit comfortably on the page. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need in WPS Office Writer, and I'll share a few helpful pointers so your content looks great the moment you switch. Start by opening WPS Office and loading your document in Writer. Writer is the word processing app within the WPS suite, and it's where page orientation settings live. Once your document is open, look to the top of the window for the ribbon, the row of tabs that organize all your tools. Find the Page Layout tab and click it. This tab gathers the settings that control how your pages look and print, including margins, size, breaks, and of course, orientation. Inside Page Layout, locate the Orientation option. It typically sits near page size and margins, and it may show a small icon of a page rotating. Click Orientation to open the choices. Select Landscape. The moment you choose it, WPS Writer applies the change across your entire document. You'll see your page on screen widen from portrait to landscape, and if you have a thumbnail view or page panel visible, those thumbnails will rotate as well. That's your confirmation that the whole document is now in landscape mode. A couple of tips to make this change smooth. Because you're giving your content more horizontal room and slightly less vertical space, paragraphs may reflow and page breaks can shift. Tables and images that were squeezed before often breathe better in landscape, but you might want to glance over any wide elements to make sure they align the way you expect. If you plan to print, a quick peek at Print Preview can help you verify that headers, footers, and margins look clean on the page. The orientation setting affects the entire document, which is ideal for consistent layouts. If you only need a single section to be landscape, that's a different workflow involving section formatting, but for a full document switch, what you've done here is exactly right. That's all there is to it. Open your document in Writer, go to Page Layout, choose Orientation, and select Landscape. With those clicks, you've transformed your document for wider content, ready to view, share, or print with a layout that fits your needs.